No, he's like,
Uh-huh.
guys, keep it kid friendly. It's like I was gonna say nigger right then, right there, but I was like, you know what? He's being wholesome.
Wow.
What's good, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be griefing a car meet by telling them that I got a $10 Xbox gift card and getting them all lined up and ready and then blowing them up. Anybody that believes a random person on Xbox is just going to be giving out a $10 Xbox gift card for a car meet in this economy deserves to be blown up.
Yeah, anyone too.
All right, we're gonna get everybody here. For the new ones that just got in here, we're doing the best car gets a $10 gift card. You could literally spend this gift card anywhere you want on Xbox. So if you need an invite, let me know. Here we go. We're seeing some heat. I got a kid audience watching, so they wanna first off keep it kid friendly, please. And second off, they wanna see something colorful, something nice, modded, anything.
I need
All
you
right.
guys help me.
Well, what's going on, brother?
I need $5 million
$5
in real
million
life.
dollars.
Gotta rob a bank. I need a squad. I need high spenders.
Please wipe. I'm gonna send you an invite right now. Thank you for adding me.
Dude, FBI rubbing their hands together.
FBI don't know shit.
They're
We're
listening on
robbing them.
Microsoft.
No, we're robbing the FBI.
The FBI is gonna rob you, brother.
Not unless you snitch.
Shit, I don't know nothing.
I have 700. Oh, I have $1 million. Damn. $1,100. I could buy something cool. If I buy the salvage yard, do I get a tow truck?
I'm not too sure. Man, someone in here gotta know.
Does anybody know?
Party seems so quiet.
Somebody better tell me right now before I nut in the
I'm just
butt.
not yapping. You know, it sucks to be in a party and like 15 people are all yapping.
Yeah, I guess, man. We got everyone posted up. Alright, let's go. Let's finally getting everyone. Alright, I'm gonna say it one more time because a couple more people came in. One more time. We're doing a $10 Xbox gift card for the best car. Park up, park up. We're gonna do the votings.
Oops, sorry. You're kidding.
You invited all these people just to do that shit.
Like, yeah, that's crazy.
Nigga don't
Who?
want to say nothing. 07?
No, he's like,
Okay.
guys, keep it kid friendly. It's like I was gonna say nigger right then, right there, but I was like, you know what? He's being wholesome.
Please say it anyways.
Well, now it don't matter.
Someone just killed me.
Wrong person, but whatever.
It's the host. The host is rampaging. And all I'm trying to do is go meet up to everybody and go park up.
I got dry wish at his own time for what? A fucking stupid ass fucking KD that don't mean nothing. Fucking retard.
So there you guys have it. That's me griefing this toxic car meet, and I do not feel bad because of what I said at the start, and because that guy was racist. So like that's probably 95% of the times who I'm trying to target. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe. For any more content, tap in with me. And even if you didn't enjoy the video, go ahead and comment some hate. I like all the feedback.